Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Timothy Keenan. Today I'd like to show you the best way to heal persistent headaches yourself. Tilt a soup can about 15 degrees upwards so that you can feel the edge of the can on the muscles at the base of your head. Then relax and let the weight of your head down onto a painful spot and hold for 20 seconds. Then turn your head to the side onto another painful spot and repeat the procedure. These are the suboccipital muscles. If it hurts yet feels good at the same time, you're doing the right thing. It's so easy. The weight of your head does all the work for you. Continue for several minutes, then go back and treat the most painful spots again. Do this for 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the evening while lying in bed. If your headaches are isolated to just this region, that's all you have to do. I'll now show you what you may have to add to your self-treatment if you have pain in the surrounding tissues. If your pain goes up into the temples, place your hand flat against your head. Make a fist with your other hand and press your thumb into the temple at the corner of your eye. Then slowly slide it upwards across the painful cord of muscle. Repeat the procedure 10 times each side and do this 3 times a day. This is the temporalis muscle. If your pain goes down into the shoulders, face the corner of a wall or door frame. Place one foot at the corner and the other far back. Hold your hands behind you. Bend your front knee and lean forward 80 degrees. Place the middle of the shoulder onto the corner and turn your head slightly outwards. Hold for 20 seconds each side and do this 3 times a day. If you want to add more pressure, you can lift up the front foot. This is the trapezius muscle. It's that simple. Try it for a week. If you feel improvement, continue treating yourself at the same intensity until you're perfectly healed. If your headaches are of less intensity, frequency, or duration, or if you have the impression that the pain is moving down into your shoulders and upper back, it's proof that you're healing and you should congratulate yourself. If you treat yourself as I've described, you should be completely healed in 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the severity of your condition. When you start, it's normal to have sensitive skin for 3 to 4 days as your body eliminates stored up toxins. If you hit your clavicular bone, bend further down. If your shoulders are bare, cover them with a towel so that you don't scratch your skin. If you'd like to slide easier on the corner, cover it with a plastic corner protector that you can buy in a hardware store. If your skin is too dry, add several drops of hand cream. Never apply heat, including hot baths, since heat increases inflammation. In order to accelerate healing, avoid tobacco, bending your head backwards, carrying a purse on one shoulder, squeezing a phone with your shoulder, and lying on a sofa with your head on the armrest. Always lower your head when turning to look behind you and have your eyes checked regularly. It's also beneficial to lightly traction your neck by compacting your pillow when lying on your back and side. Once healed, if you want to avoid future problems, continue treating yourself for several minutes every day, especially during periods of stress. As long as the suboccipital muscles remain supple, you cannot have another headache. Finally, in an effort to clear up the confusion surrounding the real cause of headaches, if you heal yourself using my method, it's scientific proof that your headaches were caused exclusively by contracted soft tissues, since that's all my method corrects. This means that even if you can see osteoarthritis, what most people call arthritis, fibromyalgia, osteoporosis, spinal stenosis, scoliosis, misaligned vertebrae, subluxations, pinched nerves, a short leg or degenerated, slipped, thinned, bulging, or herniated discs on your X-rays, CT scans, or MRIs, they have absolutely nothing to do with your pain, so you can ignore them. Only 5% of headaches are caused by things other than contracted soft tissues, muscles, ligaments, tendons, and fascia. So you have a 95% chance of healing yourself when you use my method correctly. That's all you need to heal pain yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to write me. Bye for now and happy healing.